If you've ever found yourself arguing with your kitchen counter space, stuck deciding whether to keep a single-serve pod machine for your quick morning mug or a traditional drip maker for when you're hosting or pulling a long workday, you know the annoyance of a two-machine kitchen. This Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 is designed to solve that exact clutter problem by rolling both worlds into one sleek unit. The main problem it solves is versatility. Instead of picking a lane, this machine lets you brew a single cup using either K-Cup pods or your own coffee grounds, and it features a full 12-cup glass carafe on the other side for when you need a crowd-pleasing batch. What makes this Gen 2 version stand out is MultiStream Technology. Older pod machines used to puncture just one hole in the top of the K-Cup, which often left you with a weak or uneven brew. This version uses multiple streams to thoroughly saturate the coffee grounds, pulling out a much richer, bolder flavor. It also features a brew-over-ice setting for iced coffee that doesn't taste watered down, plus options for strong and extra hot brews depending on how you like your morning kick. Things to consider before you buy. Because it packs a single-serve side and a full carafe side into one appliance, it has a wider footprint than a standard pod machine. You'll want to measure your counter space before hitting buy. Also, while it comes with a glass carafe, if you want a thermal carafe to keep coffee hot for hours without a hot plate burning it, you'd have to look at a different model tier. So who is this really for? This is a home run for households with mixed preferences, like someone who loves the speed of a single pod on a rush Tuesday, but wants a full pot of drip coffee on a lazy Sunday morning. If you live completely alone and only ever drink one mug a day, a smaller, single-serve machine is still all you need. Is it worth the money? If you're tired of managing two separate coffee makers or compromising on the quality of your morning brew, the added multi-stream performance and dual-format flexibility make it a very smart, practical upgrade. If this looks like the right fit for your kitchen, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow coffee lover, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.